G'day, Rowan from JTS. We've got a beautiful Ford Ranger in today, and we've done something a little bit different. We've used the rack bracks, which are like a removable clip for normally your awnings, maybe your max tracks, something like that. And what they do is they lock in and then lock up so that you can remove the item when you want to, or use it when you're going out on the tracks. But we've done something a bit different, as I said. So come a bit closer, have a look at our solar panel. So what we've done, we've installed the bracks flat and attached it to one side of the solar panel, and on the other side we've just put in these legs with some little Allen key screws, right? And what happens is it makes the panel removable for the customer. So when they're not going out on the tracks and stuff, when they're not travelling, they can take the panel off and leave it at home, so they're not carrying the extra weight or the extra wind drag. And then also when they're out camping, they can keep the car in the shade, rip the panel off and put it in the sun with a little extension lead and keep their batteries topped up perfectly. Give us a call at JTS if you want a system like this, because we can hook it up no problem at all.